another YouTube video on A4TECH. Today's video I'm going to be doing another unboxing, but this time it's going to be the brand new unboxing of the FStyler Collection FG1010. Before I start with the unboxing itself, I want to give you a really quick tour of the box itself. So of course it is from A4TECH, established in 1987, and in this box it comes with a keyboard and a mouse. Not only a keyboard but also a mouse with, of course, the keyboard which has keys on it. Now I'm trying to crack a joke, but it's not funny. Anyway, it comes with of course, keyboard, mouse. It is the FStyler FG1010 with a 2.4 power saving wireless desktop set. Wow, that's actually like almost 2.5 gigabytes. Of course, it says the FStyler Collection right there. It says a huge sign with FStyler there. On the side of the box, well, of course, we don't have much. This is the same stuff. A4TECH FStyler Collection FG1010. On the back of the box, we have way more information. So I'm going to be giving you information on the FStyler Collection, this box itself. So, of course, we have a 2.4 gigabytes power saving wireless desktop set. I already said that. It says right here. And it says that 2.4 HGS wireless accurate tracking. Wow, okay, it has some accurate tracking in there. That's the first one, and up to 12 months battery life. So if you have like a full powered battery into this mouse and keyboard, it will last for up to 12 months. That's actually pretty long. That's actually 1 year. So 8-in-1 gestures. Okay, what does that mean? Selectable commands. Alright, selectable commands. Yeah, like Control Z, Control X, and all that. Of course, you have 8 gestures to perform selectable office commands with right button. Download A4TECH.com. Alright, so this is like the features that it has. So more features it has is 2.4 gigs HZ wireless stable connection, multimedia hotkeys, FN plus F1 to F12. Alright, so hotkeys like shortcut keys, ultra sleek and thin, simple and clean look, auto channel sort, avoid RF interference. Okay, high elasticity silicon, adjustable height, round square key crobs, durable fonts, drain hole design, and many more. Man, that's actually a lot of feature that just this FStyler FG1010 keyboard has. As you guys can see, this from the box itself, you can already see how cool it looks. It has like a silicon strip here on the bottom. It also has a silicone strip on the mouse for extra grip. So let's go ahead and go straight on with the unboxing. I'm so excited. Alright, so from your point of view now, you can see everything that you need to, of course, the box. But let's get on with the unboxing. So first, of course, we have to open it from here. Alright, so we gotta open this, unlock that, slide it open, and I'm going to give you a quick reveal. 3, 2, 1. Alright, did you see what was inside? Alright, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications, go ahead and click on that like button so you get so you also click on that bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a video. Now, let's go ahead and open it in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, alright, here we go. So I suppose this is the keyboard. Of course, I can already tell it's the keyboard. We have, of course, the mouse right here. This is the mouse and probably also the connection. So let's go ahead and remove it from the box and get rid of the box real quick, because the box is kind of annoying now. It's really big. So we got some papers here and got an extra box, a box in a box. go ahead, put the main box aside. So we have all these items. We got 3 items. Looks like a brochure in Turkish actually. So there are actually 4 pictures of keyboards here, but only of course in different colors. We have gr, which is gray, mavi, which is blue, turuncu, which is orange, and beyaz, which is white. So let's put that aside because I can't read the rest. So I can already tell it's probably orange, I'm not sure. But let's put the main keyboard aside and let us go with this box that we have here. So let's go ahead, open this box, and I suppose, I'm not sure, but this is the mouse. Yes, it is the mouse. Anything else in there? Nope, just the mouse. Alright, put that box aside as well. Some more plastic. Alright, so here's the mouse. Alright, here we have the mouse, and by the looks of it, actually, it is so cool. It's actually almost camouflaged with the table because the table is also black, but you can see that this is the awesome looking mouse. It has a shiny black surface. As you guys can see, it has like a orange outline here, which is actually kind of sick. And you can see here there's also this orange button, of course, to indicate whether or not it's on. Here it gives you some information as well. So Turbo X technology, wired mouse model TRK900 for home or office use. I mean, where else would you use it? I mean, that doesn't make sense. So yeah, so let's go ahead and look at the mouse. First, let's look at the mouse itself. You can see, look at that, man, that's sick. It's actually kind of light as well. It's really light. Let's go ahead, open it from here. Alright, so I guess this is the battery slot, a AA battery slot, and of course you have the dongle. You can connect this to your laptop, and then it's a wireless mouse as well. So here's the USB dongle you got. So it's like, if you don't want to lose it, you can of course store it in your mouse, which is actually kind of convenient. Alright, look at this mouse, man, it's so cool. It's sick. Okay, so for the keyboard, I actually gave you guys a top view. Hi there. I gave you guys a top view so you could see it from the top. Of course, right now it's wrapped with plastic, so let's just start by removing the plastic. Alright, putting it aside. Alright, so this is the keyboard. Look at this. Wow. So sick. If you guys can see, it also includes, it has extra keys. Cause you know, it's in Turkish. Like we have U with 2 dots, which is also another Turkish letter. We have S with the accent, C with the accent, and many more. U, of course, I kind of know the pronunciations. S with the accent would be shu. C with the accent, it won't be k, like a normal C. Now, of course, they have the normal C right here. This is the normal C, but this C is like ch. It's like CH. But they only use 1 letter with the accent. It's like a inversed C. So this is the C, and they have like a smaller inversed C on the bottom. This is of course a Turkish keyboard. To open the windows, of course, which every keyboard has, you got that. So it's a wireless keyboard, a wireless Bluetooth keyboard that of course includes a mouse. Don't forget about the mouse. Okay, so let's take a quick tour of it. Here you go. This is a quick tour of the front. I also like the fact that it also comes with a orange outline. You guys can see that the orange outline is all over. Now, of course, in the back, there's not much. Of course, there's only plain orange, which is really boring to show. But of course, you have your battery slot right here. This is actually a AAA battery slot. Now, what doesn't make sense is, why does the keyboard actually come with a AAA while the mouse, by the way, comes with a AA battery slot? I don't understand that, but that's what they've given you, so you need to buy a AAA battery, and a AA battery. Alright, so let's go ahead. Oh, and actually also, I just spotted this. It also has these guys. Look at these. Like, so you could see the keyboard at an angle. Let's actually take a look. Oh wow, that actually gives you a really big difference. So this is with the stand, and then this is without the stand. So you can see it's big of a difference, and it also helps the person who is using the keyboard for the keyboard to be at a slight angle so you can type. So I'm just gonna type A4TECH, alright? And then you can search for it on YouTube. Now, of course, you have like a normal keyboard would, the up and down carries, the number pad here. You have your hotkeys, your function keys: Control Z, Control A, Control X, Control C, Control V, Control D for delete. Of course, I don't know if I know all of them. I think I do. I'm not sure. Maybe there are more. Of course, Control C is for copy, Control V is for paste, Control A is to select all of them, Control S is to save, yeah, okay, you guys don't need to know all of that. Of course, for gaming, got WAS, and I think E or Q. I'm not sure. I'm not a gamer, so I have no idea. So, of course, you got the sick looking outline. Man, I really love this outline. It's so cool. You got, of course, the shiny finishing on the keyboard. Look at that. Alright, time for the cinematics. Alright, cinematic time. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is actually the first time I've done cinematic, so here you go. Here's a little quick tour of the mouse. Sorry, the keyboard. Got the Turbo X right there. Pretty sick. Look at that. Alright, of course, you got the mouse right here. That actually looks kind of cool too. Got the Turbo X in the background right here. The shiny finishing, orange outline, just the same, just like the keyboard. Shiny finishing, orange outline. So sick, so cool. Of course, you got your tab key here. You got your numbers on the top with your symbols as well for shift. And then, yeah, you know, guys. Enter. You got your number pad here. Your up and down. Your letters. Of course, extra letters for Turkish. The U, the sh, the ch, and then the and then whatever. Yeah, you got extra letters of Turkish as well. Space bar, jump, 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 shoot, shoot, shoot. Whatever game you guys play, it might have its own thing. So it's kind of cool, man. Yeah, this is actually, I really recommend this keyboard. It's actually kind of smooth as well. Actually, I've never tried clicking the mouse. For the whole video, I didn't click the mouse. It's actually smooth, but it's kind of loud. You guys hear that? Man, it's loud, but it's real smooth. This, of course, is also smooth. Yeah, everything's smooth. Yeah, alright. So the spacebar is actually kind of loud as well, but smooth. Every key is smooth here. This is what a gamer does when he plays. Alright, anyway, so every single key is smooth. I really like that. But the only problem is that I really recommend like reducing the sound for the spacebar, and as well as the mouse keys right here. And by the way, I'm actually holding the camera in my hand, so that's why it might be shaky. But this is the the keyboard, and of course the mouse. So yeah, I think I'll end the video here. Let me give you guys the outro. Alright, that was a quick unboxing of, 1 minute, let me grab the blocks for the name, for the FStyler FG1010 FStyler collection from A4TECH, established in 1987. Alright, so let's put that. Here we go. Of course, the keyboard. the board that holds keys, not your home keys, keys like as in alphabets. Mouse, not an animal mouse, the normal hardware mouse. Alright? It's not an animal wear, it's hardware. So I really love it, I really like it, really recommend it. I'll be putting the link in the description where to buy it. And I think I'll end the video here. Make sure you guys check this out in the description, how much it is, where to buy it, where to get it. And I'll end the video here. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the post notification, go ahead and smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video on A4TECH. But make sure you guys smash that like button.